Testosterone is a vital hormone predominantly produced in the testes of males and the ovaries of females, although a smaller amount is also produced in the adrenal glands. It is classified as an androgen, which means it stimulates the development of male characteristics. In men, testosterone plays a crucial role in the development of male reproductive tissues, including the testes and prostate, as well as promoting secondary sexual characteristics such as increased muscle and bone mass, and the growth of body hair. Furthermore, testosterone is essential for health and well-being, influencing libido, energy levels, mood, and cognitive functions. In females, testosterone is produced in much smaller quantities. It is essential for ovarian function, bone strength, and sexual desire. Despite being considered a male hormone, its presence is vital for various bodily functions in females, including mood and energy levels. Testosterone levels are controlled by the hypothalamus and pituitary gland, which detect hormone levels in the blood and adjust production accordingly. This regulation ensures that balance is maintained, as abnormal levels can lead to various health issues. High testosterone levels in men can lead to aggressive behaviors and an increased risk of prostate issues, while low levels might cause erectile dysfunction, muscle loss, fatigue, and bone thinning. In women, high levels can cause symptoms such as excessive hair growth, changes in menstrual cycles, and deeper voice, whereas low levels might result in diminished bone mass and reduced libido. The hormones levels naturally decline with age in both sexes, leading to potential changes in mood, physical, and sexual health. Such declines can sometimes lead to conditions like hypogonadism in men, where the body doesn't produce enough testosterone, necessitating potential treatments like hormone replacement therapy. Additionally, testosterone levels can be influenced by lifestyle choices and health conditions. Diet, exercise, sleep patterns, and stress levels can all impact hormone balance. Conditions like obesity, diabetes, and hormonal disorders can also alter testosterone levels. Understanding testosterone's role is crucial for addressing symptoms related to its imbalance and maintaining overall health, emphasizing the need for awareness of how lifestyle can influence hormone health.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more insightful content. Your support helps us keep bringing great topics to you.